Blessings, blessings one and all. This is Jamaica Yard Life. Welcome once more. Yeah man, blessings every time. Yard today, you know. Read Yard Life, you know. Yeah man, so let's come take a walk with me. Today me have a portion to work for do. But me go attack it slowly. Yeah,
Land
man,
of
so.
food and water. Thank you for the water, Almighty.
Jamaica Yard Life, I send a special shout out to Skinny Walker. Yeah
Tell
man.
Father God, thanks for the rain. See it?
See it, daddy. Yeah man, blessings every time, bro. Jamaica Yard Life. Alright. Get up, get about, and do the right thing. And remember, walk with the Most High every time. Jamaica Yard Life up and about another day. Yes, man. I was supposed to go and look for a friend today. Yeah, man. Him say him have some rabbit. Well, want to show you all. Yes, man, but it happened that he wasn't at home. You know the something go, we're there country and we get a portion to rain. But we give thanks alive. Same way. Stick around. This is Yard Life. Today me feel the outdoor vibes, you know? Yeah man, feel like I go somewhere different yard, but you know it come. As I say, you know depend noise. You see, I show them what I want. But for now, I have a friend who say him have some rabbits. Yeah man, I know still I man is an animal person, so yeah man, I know say I man is an animal person, so I always I don't know, I just love animals. Yeah man, so just come take a walk with me. Yes man. It's a blessing. One way. Like, share, and subscribe. Then say them can look for you.
What them there?
Overseas on them, man.
Oh,
Yes,
them
man.
come over here with December.
Yes, so then say them can look for you. Yeah, man. Daddy. Yeah, man. They can hear you know, but they not hear right now. When me send them. Yeah, man. So you know me and Massa there, and he might go up on the work. So one of them day, I come link him and we sit down and chat. Yes, man. Real chat, you know. Yard lifestyle. It's a blessed day. Yeah, man. Daddy, you know we go, man. We link. Oh, today I thought that. Let's see. Oh, 3-star. Oh, blessings. Bless her. Oh, there. Blessings. Leo Pakara, the Uyo Pailda. Yo. And they go, you know. So a blessed day out there in the countryside, giving thanks to life as usual. Yeah, man. No man is an island. No man stands alone. Each man's joy divine. Each man grief is I my own. Jamaica, yard life. Real yard life. Whoa. Blessings. Yes. Morning, mommy. Mom, blessings, yeah. Blessings. Just reach back home. Yes, man. Give thanks to the Most High. Yeah, man. But me still have to go up on another chat. So just come with me. On my way tomorrow and be again to get some goods. Yeah, man.
Yo, shout out to Skinny, you know. Skinny Walker on YouTube, you know, a comedy sketching doing, you know. Big up.
Yeah, man, blessings every yard life. We're up again, up and about, and they are Marant Bay. Come get few goods, but you know the machine, it out of service. Yeah, man, so I hit this yard today, you know. Grab them and then run in back in the hill, so just stay tuned. Yard life, 101. Blessings every time. It's one of the roughest things when you're there Marant Bay. If you get a taxi from Marant Bay to Trinityville, trust me, it's a rough task. But throughout my time of waiting, yes, man, I have to give thanks to life. As usual, these ladies made my day. It's a blessing. I can't see you better from this angle. Yeah, man, I'm here. Jamaica Yard Life. This is the vibe. Yeah. Today is Melissa's birthday. Yeah, man, and I'm happy with Melissa. Yeah? Alright. This is a blessing, trust me, to see my subscribers tapping in even on the work. Remember me tell you, man, I love yard. Can't stop you, love yard, yeah? It's a blessed day. Yeah, man, this is yard. We love the vibes, yeah? It's a blessing for the year, darling. These ladies, yeah, man, full of vibes, full of love. This is yard. And I want to send a special shout out to Rochelle. Yes, man, always up and about and doing the right thing. Blessings, Empress.
Are you doing that?
Yeah.
For YouTube?
So, y'all can see me have a new, me have a subscriber here with me. Yeah, man, what's your name again, Empress?
Rochelle.
That's Rochelle. Yeah, man. Nice, Rochelle. You see your Jamaican woman, them nice. Blessings, man. But little laugh better than quarrel every time, any day. Yeah, man. And she out here do the right thing. So you know the energy go. Stay strong. One love, one heart. Jamaica, yeah, like. Alright. One out another day. You know the energy go. Hey, I get a free drive. Blessings on night countryside. Yeah, man. Stop to get some refreshments. Browning shop, you know the energy go. Yeah, man. Trinityville with it. It's a blessed afternoon. place vibrant as usual, and everybody up and about and I do them one thing. This is Jamaica Yard Life 101. Like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the family. Blessings every time. Again, yeah man, in the countryside, you know what? I love it like this, natural, all natural. Yeah man, remember, walk with the most. This morning, you know I'm married and I get up early. I'm trying to touch the riverside, you know? Yeah man. Touch the river, go all night, sick refresh. Nothing like getting up in the morning and be able to can come a river. Trust me, it's a blessing. Real blessing. This is Jamaica Yard Life. Welcome to the Yard Life family, where we keep it natural, all natural. Yeah man. So if you want to see yard as is, no preservative, no additive, just natural. Yeah man. I'll show you a little, just a little bit more of the river. Yeah man, so you can get to enjoy it the right way. Stick around.
Man in other things still.
Yeah.
Tom.
Yeah.
Blessings, blessings.
Yeah man.
Wow,
See?
40 years early.
Yo,
What's good
it's all about
Watch your road, daddy.
it's all about Jamaica, you know. And your real root, you know. Agriculture are real root in Jamaica, see? So a very few people outside of that can survive, see? Self-reliance are the priority, are the real root in the system, see? Yeah. We learn it from school days and we learn it from the older folks. So we try to live what we learn, see, sir? Yeah. It's better, it's more economical when you live what you learn. That's my personal opinion, see? Yeah.
Positive.
Give God thanks and praise for every day you get up and say. Because we never really know so when I get up and say today. That's why we use it, so. So deep, see? Go to the hills, spend some hours with the plants them, listen to the birds them and all that. Free your mind. The birds them give you some vision by the speech that they make. Alright?
Life is everything.
Interpret what the birds them say and try to live some height, you see me?
Life is everything, man. Blessings,
Life is for
man.
living.
Most naturally. Give thanks and praises to the Most High.
And beg God bless Jamaica some more.
Alright.
Alright? You shower us with plenty rain, so that's our vision now. I'm gonna make we survive using the rain. Alright, land of food and water. Thank you for the water, Almighty God.
Give thanks. Yes, daddy. Stay strong. Blessings,
Land
man.
of food and water, so we have to
Yeah,
tell
man.
Father God thanks to the rain. See?
See it, daddy.
Yeah.
Guidance for the trad, you know? Yeah, man. Peace and love, you know? Yeah, man. With their yard, yeah. Keeping it real. This is yard. Jamaica Yard Life. Yeah, man. Stay tuned. A lot more to come. Travis, come on. Eh?
Oh, when you get the time, is it? Yard life.
Yard life.
Yeah, man, we're out here,
I
resume.
know one for
Brother,
life,
brother,
man.